7,000 calories of cheese and pepperoni, tomato sauce. You melt it all together.
This is crazy. Like what? And I thought I eat a lot. This thing could be crazy. What's going on?
2.5 pounds of tomato sauce. Alright, cheese time. We're going with a combo of mozzarella and cheddar. Spread the love, a little more mozzarella. Pepperoni. Alright, in the oven. Alright. Alright, cheese out of the oven, gotta be quick. It's 1,000 calories a cup. Alright, will it be the most epic food waterfall of all time? We're about to find out. What happened?
That doesn't look too good. This actually looks pretty nasty. That looks nasty as hell.
Take two. Want to know something cool? You can get this wireless headset for only 62 cents. Literally pocket change. Just check out credit.com and
Yo, bro.
5 cups. Tomato sauce. A little bit more matcha. Oh my god. Pepperoni. Alright, 350. Let's see if this works. Can't screw it up twice, right? I'm so nervous right now. Please. This has the potential to be the best food pour we've ever done on this channel. Alright, let's do it. You ready?
By the time that shit ready, the fries about to be cold as hell.
The giant 6,000 calorie pile of fries, a ton of cheese, a ton of sauce, pepperoni. I'm nervous, but I'm even more excited.
You really about to eat all that? Wouldn't it have been better to just put the fries in the, like get the fries and put the cheese and shit on the fries and then put it inside the oven? Mom, some shit like that? Oh,
Finally, time to eat. Now, this is a pile. What would be the estimate calorie wise? All right, here we go. Massive tray of pizza tray fries. It's heavy. It looks delicious. Let's stop talking because it's getting cold. 3, 2, 1, go.
How the fuck does he eat like this, bro? This shit is crazy. Like,
2 minutes in.
What the fuck?
Say 25-30%. I mean, it's a little generous, but plenty of time to go.
Halfway done.
Reacting to you. You look nothing like this nigga.
Delicious, it's easy to eat. It's getting a little cold though. The cheese is getting a little not stringy.
Son, this is crazy.
Overheated. You know that cheese. Yeah, maybe. No, warm cheese, baby. Oh. Pain is temporary. Pizza fries are forever.
I know that whole shit is cold. I know it doesn't taste good no more. That shit tastes terrible. Nah, he got it.
All right.
And what am I doing? But he don't post a lot though. So I'm guessing like when he do like these big challenges, he just go and work out or some shit afterwards so that I guess it balances. But he has a fast metabolism on top of that. He don't gain weight. Nigga been skinny like this since he started doing these videos. Oh now, you better not have some water go down the wrong pipe.
Oh, wrong pipe.
You know that shit nasty. It's just a bunch of water and watery, soggy fries, cold fries and shit. Bad eats.
Yeah, stop whining. There's not gonna be any leftovers for you no matter what. I don't care.
It looks like it hasn't moved.
I was gonna say, I beg to differ. Last update, like 10 minutes ago, it's no one here. But it was piled up to here. We've taken care of the mountain of plain French fries that was right here in the center. So we're gonna get this done. Let me re-water up because I'm almost out. 24 minutes, here we go. Como?
There's only that much
I
left.
don't know.
How much food is in his mouth? God damn.
Are you tapping out then?
I hate to tap out right now. I'm gonna tap out. I can't. Well, I can't even show over 32.40. Something got to me, guys. I don't know what, but no. I'm really tired of these french fries. Thanks for watching. Huge thanks to Timu for sponsoring this video. Check them out using the link in the description box.
Oh, that's
below.
it. He didn't do it.
And
he didn't finish the little
see you guys in the next food challenge, where I'm not gonna quit.